Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Nyalyn, and this is a dermal repair complex check-in because I wanted to answer your questions and give you a little update. And I'm going to do a wipe test. This actually, I already used this before, but I'll use it again just to show you that I don't have any makeup on. So I wanted to answer some of your questions from the other videos. One was, how old am I? I can't tell you how old I am. One of the reasons why I'm so concerned with growing old gracefully is I'm an actor. And in acting, there's a great deal of ageism. So the thing is we go by an acting age range, and our agents push us to the top of that range and to the bottom of that range for roles that are older and roles that are younger. So we're not supposed to tell our age, and we're not supposed to tell our age publicly. So that's at the request of my agent. I did it once and I got in big trouble, and so I don't want to get in trouble again. So that's why I don't tell my age. And the thing is though, I've showed you my face close up, and I wrinkled it up in both videos to show you that there's nothing in my face, that I don't have any injectables, that there's nothing false in my face at the moment or anything like that. Not that I'm against those things, but that's just not what I'm doing right now. So the thing is that in one of the responses, someone was like, but your forehead doesn't move. I think in the second video, I was just happy. So my forehead was relaxed because I was happy that I found something that worked. So like right now, my forehead is relaxed. And one of the things that I'm trained to do as an actress is relax my forehead. So if I relax it and I talk and I go like this, like you don't see wrinkles. But if I go like this, and I'm playing like a really hard character, you'll see all my wrinkles. So hopefully you guys get that now. Like this, I literally look like a Klingon. So there's tons of wrinkles everywhere on my face. I have a fully moving face with no injectables in it. I do not have any plastic surgery or anything like that, like I said in the first video. So maybe I didn't emphasize that point enough in the second video. I don't know. I'm not trying to sell you guys this stuff. Like I said, I don't even have an affiliate link. So the thing is that, what else can I answer for you? The ingredients, I'll list them below. A couple people have asked that. They're also on the website. And someone asked what other supplements I take. Now, for the duration of the first 3 months, I did not take this other supplement, but I do drink Shakeology regularly. But you guys, I thought you guys already knew that because if you subscribe to my channel, you see that I use Shakeology. I did stop the Shakeology for the 3 months of this. Not really on purpose. It sort of happened by accident because I was kind of broke and Shakeology is expensive. So the thing is like I was just off of it for a while. I am now back on the Shakeology because I just joined a new challenge group, which you know if you subscribe to my channel because you saw Bar Blend like my first day the other day. I'll report on how that's doing in another video because this is about this. What else can I say? I haven't tried any of the other products from this company. If you guys want me to try products, look at their website and ask me which one I should try. Like if there's something that you're interested in, and maybe I can do that next. I think I said all that. This is not sponsored. It's not a collab. I don't even have an affiliate link. I would like an affiliate link. Beverly Hills MD, send me an affiliate link. That would be cool. If I could, do that, because I would send it to all my friends. And let's see. Oh, in the future, if I want to do a sponsorship with somebody, I'm going to, because if I love a product, it makes no sense not to accept a sponsorship. It's like accepting a script for a film. Like the next film I'm doing is this like totally different character than from who I am. She's very edgy. She's from the Bronx. She's like, had a rough life. And so that character, like I chose to do that character because I really liked the script. If I really like a product and sponsorship is offered in the future, then why not accept it? Like, that doesn't make sense to me. There's like, oh, if like Elf wanted to sponsor a video, I would do a whole look with Elf makeup, like, because I love Elf. It's one of my favorite lines because it's inexpensive and affordable, and I feel like every actress that's like on their way up can afford it. So like, and like my Swiffer mop, like I love my Swiffer mop. So like, if Swiffer wants me to sponsor a video of me cleaning my house, then like, I don't see the issue with sponsorship. I haven't done that yet. I have done actual commercials. Those are in the acting section of my YouTube page. You'll see them on Niall Lynn Acting. Now, if I do sponsorship for a beauty product in the future, it will be in the beauty section, unless it's a commercial that I get hired to shoot, which then I would put it in the acting section. But if I choose to do sponsorship in the future, I will put it in the beauty section. But I will tell you guys, because I have to tell you, legally, you have to tell somebody that it's a sponsored video. You guys know that, right? So that's a silly question to ask, like, is this sponsored? If a video is sponsored, they have to tell you. It's usually like right up here on Facebook, you'll see sponsored, or right up here on Instagram, you'll see sponsored, right? So if something's sponsored, it always says that. They have to use that disclaimer. I don't know if collabs have to be, like, you have to say that, but I'll just tell you guys if I do a collab. And affiliate links, I should do them on all my videos. So when I have time, I'm going to go try to get affiliate links for everything. Like all the stuff I get off of Amazon and all the stuff that's in my videos that I've purchased from all different places. Like, of course I should have affiliate links. Like, why not? You guys don't have to actually buy anything. It's not, but it's just like, it's there for you if you want to purchase. And because people take all the time, like I watch Tati and Shay and like some of the big YouTubers, and they all have all of their affiliate links. And like, I'm happy to get something from them if it's something I want. Like if Shay is sharing something that is awesome, and like I want to get it, and she puts the affiliate link, she's spent all this time making these videos. I mean, hers are amazing. They're all edited and amazing. Hopefully I'll get to that level of editing amazing videos for you guys. I'm just not there yet because obviously I'm focused on making movies at the moment. So I'm just going to do my regular check-in and basic stuff until I have time for that. And hopefully I've been looking for an app that edits on my phone, because I shoot everything on my phone. So if you guys can mention an app, if there's anything that you like that works, please let me know, because I'll give it a try. Anyway, I'm continuing with this, and I'll let you know an actual real 4-month update if I can, because this is my 4th bottle and I have a 5th and a 6th. So I'll check in, and I'll try to make sure to wear the same towel wrap. It's like my wrap for after the shower. And that's it. If you have any more questions, please feel free to post them below. And yeah, and if there's any other requests you have, like I said, if there's products you want me to try from this company or anybody else, let me know and I will try them. So thanks for tuning in. This is Niall Lynn. That was a Beverly Hills MD Dermal Repair Complex check-in update question answer sesh for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Niall Lynn. Have a beautiful day.